mislim da je svima zajedničko ne samo taj aktivistički stav, nego odgovornost, društvena odgovornost i borba za socijalnu pravdu.
Poenta današnje radionice sa mentima bila je da dobiju inspiraciju, okvire i neku vrstu ohrabrenja da krenu da osmišljavaju svoje projekte.
Motivation is a huge and important part of it, and potential for future cooperation and potential for developing ideas in the region.
Regional cooperation is people, NGOs, or even government institutions coming together and working on different initiatives. But since we're culture people, I think culture is the one thing that can make the real change.
I'm really happy to see a group of young people who are motivated, who are really open-minded and creative, and who are really ready to work together. So I think that is something that we need more in every field, and I think this could be just the beginning.
My work there during the teaching is that we have to be very close with them. We have to know how to put a team together, how to apply the projects, and how to have this project to have a long-lasting life.
It's a great opportunity for young people.
Get a chance to make our projects, and if many people of our countries get the chance to see it and learn something from us, I think that would be the most valuable thing in this whole project.
Sve u svemu mislim da će ove pilot inicijative biti vrlo raznolike, kvalitetne i da će u stvari biti samo jedan početak regionalne mreže mladih kulturnjaka koji će ovaj regionalni kontekst značajno da promene.